In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a frame in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Figma is an incredible design tool, and knowing how to manage your frames is crucial for keeping your workspace organized. Now let's get started. The first step is to open a new design or an existing design file where you want to remove a frame. This could be a project you've been working on or something entirely new. It's as simple as going to your dashboard and selecting the file you need. Once you've got that open, take a good look at the frames you've created. You may have several, and it's time to clear out the ones you don't need. Now that you have your design open, let's move on to the next step. If the frame you would like to delete is part of a larger group, you need to ungroup it first. To do this, simply right-click on the frame you want to delete, and from the context menu that appears, click on Ungroup. This allows you to access the individual elements within the frame, but more importantly, it allows you to select just the frame itself for deletion. If you don't want to mess with ungrouping, there's a quicker way to delete a frame directly. Just select the frame you want to get rid of by clicking on it once. After it's selected, you can hit the Delete key on your keyboard. This is a straightforward method and works well if you're sure you only need to remove that specific frame. It's really that simple. Just two main methods to remove a frame depending on how it's set up in your project. One, you can ungroup it if you want to keep some elements. Or two, you can just delete it directly. Either way, you're managing your design effectively. While you're organizing and cleaning up your design files, don't forget to save your changes. Figma usually saves automatically, but it's always good to double-check so you don't lose any of your hard work. So, why is it important to delete frames you don't need? Well, having a clutter-free workspace can make a world of difference in your design process. It helps you to focus on what truly matters in your project and keeps things looking neat and professional. To recap, remember to open an existing design, right-click to ungroup if needed, or select the frame and hit delete. You've now learned 3 effective ways to manage frames within Figma. If you have any tips or experiences you'd like to share about using Figma, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and we can learn together as a community. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Happy designing!